Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a graduate waste management consultant at AECOM. We all know we should reduce, reuse and recycle as much as we can, but still some of our waste ends up going to landfill. I'm going to show you how to do an experiment to work out what sort of material is best for the bottom of the landfill. If I was to make a landfill on this site here, would I rather the material be gravel, soil or clay? Over time in a landfill, liquid builds up in the bottom called leachate, and this is full of harmful chemicals which is harmful to the environment. In our experiment we're going to use water instead of leachate. We want to find a material which is impermeable, and that means it won't let any of the leachate through it. To do our experiment we will need two 2-litre bottles, a pair of scissors, a drawing pin, a permanent marker, a jug with some water in it, some material to test. I'm using gravel, soil and clay, and a watch or timer. First I'm going to cut both bottles in half by cutting around here. Next I'm going to pour 200 millilitres of water into the bottle and use the permanent marker to draw a line along the bottle where the water goes up to. Next I'm going to take the other bottle and I'm going to take the drawing pin and poke some holes in the bottom like this. Then we can pour the water back out of the other bottle and sit the bottle with the holes in the bottom on top of that one. Next I'm going to take some of our first material, which is gravel, and pour it into the top. Then I'm going to pour 300 millilitres of water and I'm going to start the timer as soon as I've started pouring. Then I've stopped the timer when the water reaches the line on the bottle. That took 9 seconds. Let's see how long it takes for the water to go through the soil. This has taken 5 minutes to get to the line, which is a lot longer than the gravel. Now we've got clay in the bottle. Let's see how long it takes for the water to get through the clay. It looks like the clay isn't very permeable because there's no water going through the clay and into the bottle underneath. 10 minutes later and there's still no water gone through the clay. Our experiment shows that gravel is very permeable, the soil is slightly permeable and the clay is impermeable. This means that clay would be the best material to use to line the bottom of our landfill. You could try this experiment at home and see if any other materials might be suitable.